Everybody, this is Verna from Stampin' Notes, and yes, I said I wasn't going to do Farm Fresh cards today, but I thought I'd jump on here quick. We have one of the grandchildren that has a game, and we have, I think, 11 grandchildren playing games, and so we're trying to make the rounds for everybody. But anyways, and then some other things came up, so I will be on for sure next week, but I wanted to get on and show you what is June Sweet Notes Card Club is the Lasting Label Punch, and the Lovely and Lasting Stamp Set features these beautiful floral images, and this goes with a punch right here. Some beautiful sentiments, and these are the cards. You will get everything pre-cut for you to make 2 of each of these cards, so four different designs. And this is the Lovely Linen DSP, and there's this card and this card. This is a fun fold, and then there's this card. So you will get, the designer series will not be cut because you're going to get a half of that in your kit. So exactly what comes in the kit is the ingredients to make cardstock and etc. to make 8 cards, 2 of each of 4 different designs, and the die cut like this will be die cut for you. Any embossing would be done, and so I would not have the designer series paper cut because in addition to the cardstock and DSP to make the cards, you also get $20 worth of product. And this month there will be a half a pack of the beautiful linen designer series paper, and it will also be a pack of the in color twine, and that's beautiful. Here's one of them right here, and I've used some here on this card. So you get also a PDF tutorial and a online video tutorial, and that includes shipping. It is $42. That's all. Now, if there are different options, if you want to buy the bundle and save 10% and not have to pay shipping, you can get the bundle and the card kit, and that is only $78.75. If you want, option 2 is if you want just the card kit, just the stamp set, that option is $64. And then option 3 would be just the card kit. And option 4 is just a tutorial for $15. It is free to my team members. So I wanted to hop on here and show you these, and registration ends Saturday, which I believe is the 11th. Yes. And then they will be mailed out on or around the 21st. And also these little butterflies will be included in that. So you just need your ink and your paper trimmer, and the die cutting will be done for you. So I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back Monday night with Monday Simply Stampin' in the Meadow, and I hope that you have an enjoyable rest of the week. Take care.